Vincent's friends and families. Ready for insects? Look at the pretty butterfly. Jen loves butterflies.
I collect them. I should show them the butterflies.
I'll show you. Hold this.
Okay.
Hold the book. I'll take you guys over to see the butterfly collection.
I need a light. You gotta show them the real butterflies.
Butterflies.
I need more. Wink, wink.
Yes. Jen loves butterflies. We got one up here too. And then we have one right here on the wall. A lot of our house decor is butterflies. Did you find the page about butterflies? We'll read that first.
No. There's moths on here. I have moths too. Could do the moth if you want, and then the butterfly or whatever one you want to do. Is that a ladybug next to it? That's so cute.
Moths.
Some people don't like moths, but they're misunderstood, okay?
The larvae of moths are called caterpillars. Full-grown caterpillars spin cocoons. Adult moths can have feathery, thick, or thread-like antennas. Their bodies can be all one color, or they may have stripes or dots. When moths rest, they either keep their wings up or they fold them across their abdomens. Most moths rest during the day and fly around at night. Mm-hmm. We know if we open the back door at night to go in and out, they like to come in the house and hang out. Moth. Look at the pretty butterflies. Ladybugs.
Ladybugs are like my next favorite. They're so cute.
They are. Ladybugs around the world come in all sorts of colors. Red, I've seen. Orange, I've seen.
Yeah.
Yellow.
I've seen yellow.
I've never seen gray and blue.
I've never seen gray or blue. Never.
No. Some have spots while others do not. Ladybugs eat insects. During a ladybug's lifetime, it may eat up to 5,000 aphids.
I don't even know what that is.
Probably like some kind of bug.
Probably a gnat. It sounds like a gnat or something.
In 1999, NASA sent 4 ladybugs into space to see how they were reacting to gravity. They did great.
Oh.
All right. Did you know the beetle is a friend to farmers because it eats harmful insects?
Oh, I didn't know that.
I didn't know that either.
But they don't bite.
No.
No, they don't bite.
You guys want to learn about the ant?
Oh, don't lick them. They always try to get in here. They're looking for the sugar. Like a bit of sugar.
Ants thrive everywhere except high in the mountains or where it's very cold.
That's where we're going to move.
Each ant in the colony works. Some babysit the eggs. Others take out the waste. Still, others look for food. Every ant has 2 stomachs. One is used to feed itself. The second stores foods that the ant shares with others.
And that little tiny body?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ants have inner jaws for chewing and outer jaws for carrying and digging.
Wow, that's really cool. Yep.
Nope. Cicadas! That's the noise you hear at night in the summer.
Cicada noise.
Cicada sounds come from vibrating membranes on the underside of the abdomen. Cicadas live in the eastern half of the United States. They're known for their high-pitched buzzing. Cicada eggs are deposited inside twigs. The nymphs, baby insects without wings that do not look like the parents, hatch and drop to the ground. Nymphs bury themselves in the soil and feed on tree roots. Some nymphs stay underground for 17 years before emerging as adults. Wow, 17 years? They must live a long time.
How about the cricket?
Cricket.
I have mixed emotions about the cricket.
They make a weird noise too, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
There are 900 kinds of crickets worldwide.
Wow.
900. In U.S., the black-field cricket is most common. In most places around the world, crickets are considered a symbol of good luck.
Yeah, I've heard that. I've
Wow.
heard that if you see a cricket.
They live under rocks or logs, and they eat just about anything. Crickets make a chirping sound by rubbing the ridges on their legs together. To estimate how warm it is outside, count the chirps for 15 seconds, then add 37 to that number. Wow.
Must be an ancient thing.
Wow.
Oh, that's really cool.
That's super cool. Wow.
Oh, no. Yes, we do with that one.
Butterflies.
The bees are going too. Bees and butterflies. We'll read
All right,
about
so we'll read about the butterfly first. Did you know adult butterflies can live from a week to nearly a year, depending on their species?
that. I did.
I'm sure you knew that.
did.
A butterfly starts life as a small egg on a leaf. Then it hatches as a caterpillar. The caterpillar is an eating machine. It gobbles up whole leaves. When it has grown big enough, it becomes a cocoon, covering or case surrounding the chrysalis stage butterfly. After a few weeks, it goes through metamorphosis, an extreme noticeable change in development of the form or structure of an insect, and becomes a beautiful butterfly. Butterflies live on every continent except Antarctica.
I didn't know that.
Oh.
I didn't know they could live.
I taught you something new about butterflies today.
Yes, you did.
Some are as tiny as 1/8 of an inch long. Others grow as wide as 12 inches. Butterflies use their tube-like mouths to suck nectar from flowers.
The proboscis.
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 They drink it.
Interesting. Bee. Ooh.
Ooh.
Now that summer's around the corner and the warm weather, look out for bees.
Yep. I don't mind the honeybees.
No.
Those ones are cute.
Are those the big fat ones?
Those are the fat hairy ones.
Yeah,
They're so cute.
we had
Any
a
other bee I
couple.
don't like.
We had a couple on the back porch yesterday.
There was one on our counter. I don't know how they got in. Scared me.
Bees live together in colonies, groups of insects of the same species living together. The queen lays the egg and the female bees do all the work. Right after they're born, the baby worker bees begin feeding the larvae. 3 weeks later, they switch to food-finding duty. There are many kinds of honeybees, the only insect that makes food eaten by people. The bees' great sense of smell helps them identify each flower. It also lets them know if a flower has pollen or nectar. A honeybee visits between 50 and 100 flowers per collection trip. Wow.
They're very busy.
I see.
That's probably where the term comes, busy bee.
Right. Fireflies! These are so pretty.
I don't see them often.
We should start seeing them soon because
Think so?
I see a lot more in the summer. And it's starting to get warmer now, so they should be coming out more. Fireflies live near marshes, ponds, and wooded areas all over the climate. I think of the pond that we go for a walk. I've seen them like
seen
closer to like at
I
night.
mean, it makes sense because it's like, the water source and stuff.
Yeah, where we take the kids for a walk. It's a big pond in between. They like a warm, humid climate. Chemicals inside their bodies help them give off light. Fireflies flash their lights in different patterns to communicate with one another. Firefly larvae also give off light and are called glowworms. Their light warns other insects not to eat them. All right, we hope you guys enjoyed learning about some insects. Talk to you soon. Bye.